is very precious, so you must utilize it properly. That's why I'm going to teach you the first lesson of grammar. This is step-by-step English grammar 6, and lesson is 1. Pronounce. You have learned about pronouns in your previous classes. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Sometimes we can't use the same noun or a similar noun again and again in a content. We need some word with which we can replace a specific noun. For example, suppose I'm going to tell you something about my friend Hina. Hina is my friend. Hina is very intelligent. Hina called me yesterday. Hina was very happy because Hina's cousins were coming to spend holidays with Hina. In this paragraph, I've used the noun Hina for so many times. Does it sound normal? No. You might be feeling something weird. Yes, it is. To make it normal, to make it familiar, we need a word with which we replace the noun Hina. Now, listen to me again. Hina is my friend. She is very intelligent. She called me yesterday. She was very happy because her cousins were coming to spend holidays with her. Now, this is a normal version, regular version. I hope you have understood the true function of a pronoun. At page number 7, it's better you underline the definition or highlight it at the second last line of page and read the whole page, the text carefully, so that you might be more clear about the function of pronouns. There are many types of pronouns, but in this lesson we are going to learn about the 3. One is demonstrative pronouns, second is relative pronouns, and third is indefinite pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns, as the word shows, a demonstration. What is demonstration? It is to show something, and in demonstrative pronouns we point to something. जैसे आप उर्दू में कहते हैं इशारा करते हैं किसी की तरफ. I'm sorry, but we have to be bilingual sometimes in order to make you understand better. For example, this is my new book. I'm pointing to my book and I'm saying, this is my new book. That dress is amazing. These are fresh vegetables. Those are beautiful flowers. In these sentences, this, that, these, those. These words are called demonstrative pronouns because they are pointing to something, to some objects, to some items. That is why these are called demonstrative pronouns. Second is relative pronouns. As again the word shows, these pronouns show some relationship between noun and an item, or between two parts of a sentence. For example, I liked the girl whom I met yesterday. Whom? Please share the video which is viral these days. Which? In the first sentence, whom, and in second sentence, which. These pronouns are making a relationship, establishing a relationship between two parts of sentence. That is why these type of words are called relative pronouns. And other words which are used as relative pronouns are what, that, who, whom, whose. These type of words are called relative pronouns. And third type is indefinite pronouns. And the word again um, clears the function of this type of pronoun. Like, what is the meaning of indefinite? Indefinite means mm, a thing about which you are not sure what is it or who is it. It is not something specific, it is general. When a thing is general, you talk about a thing generally, not specifically. That thing is called indefinite. And we use these pronouns at those places where we are not sure or we are not specific about some person or some group. For example, um, everyone is upset due to coronavirus situation. कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हर कोई अपसेट है. हर कोई, everyone means all the people in community, all the people in the world, all of them are upset, not a specific person. You are talking generally. And do anyone of you know about the Big Bang? For example, I am standing in a class and I'm asking from my students, do anyone of you know about the Big Bang? It means I'm not asking from a specific student, I'm asking from the whole class, generally. So, the words which refer to something general, not specific, those words are called indefinite pronouns. And the words which are used as indefinite pronouns are some, any, anyone, someone, something, everyone. So these are the three types of pronouns. And next comes the exercise. Now please look at your books. This is page number 8. The first exercise is let's understand. In the first exercise, you will have to fill in the blanks with either demonstrative or relative or indefinite pronouns, and you have also tell what type of pronoun this is with which you are filling these blanks. Everyone, these, which, that, who, none. And there are 6 blanks. Read all the sentences and then put these options in these blanks. And also mention what type of pronoun is with which you have filled the blank. Either it is demonstrative, or it is relative, or it is indefinite. And at page number 9, there is practice. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them by filling the blanks with demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative are this, that, these, those. What you feel proper and what you feel good, put these demonstrative pronouns in these blanks. Next is copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them with a suitable relative pronoun. And you would place relative pronouns in these blanks, and it's your own choice. What you feel good, you may put these relative pronouns in. You have more than one option. You have choices here. So can you use them? Copy next C exercises. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Fill in the blanks with the suitable indefinite pronouns. And indefinite, I have told you, and it is written in your book, all the examples, and you may fill these with examples. And at page number 10, there is extended exercise. Fill in the blanks with demonstrative, relative, and indefinite pronouns in your notebook. Choose the answers from the list given below. This is very easy one. List is given and blanks is in front of you. You may choose the words, the pronouns, and put them in blanks. It's better you read all the options and then read all the sentences and then put these options in the blanks. So I hope you have understood what I have told you. And good wishes and good luck for your future, for your studies, and for your health.